Task schedule in Laravel. Create a artisan command for our schedule task. Using pah and artisan make command name. Add the code for the command. In this example, just a message to the log file. Go to kernel, pah and inside the console folder of app. Inside the schedule function, add your command. Remember to set the time to your needs. In this case, we set the time for every minute. Now, we are going to test the command before start the scheduler. Just call the command with pah and artisan your command. Now we start the scheduler with pah and artisan schedule work. In every minute we will have an output in our Laravel log file.